what's happening? So listen, if you live in India and you want to trade cryptocurrency, okay, choosing the right exchange is important. Now, a crypto exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade digital coins. So one of the best crypto exchanges in India is WazirX. Okay, very popular, easy to use, and makes a great choice for beginners. WazirX has many different cryptocurrencies to trade and allows you to transfer money easily, and it's also known for its strong security, so you can feel safe when you're making transactions. Another top exchange is CoinDCX. CoinDCX offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform has low fees, which means that, more of your money is going to stick with you when you make trades. So CoinDCX also has features like, learning resources to help you understand the world of crypto better. Now, ZebPay is another great option. It's one of the oldest exchanges in India, and it's very trusted by a lot of people. It offers an easy-to-use app where you can quickly buy and sell crypto. The platform has great customer support and helps you wherever you need it. All right? These exchanges are trusted in many places in India. They offer safe, easy ways to get started in crypto and trading. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, because we get what we give.